Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Love Story by Indila on guitar. First, let's look at the essential chords you'll need to master for this beautiful song. The main chords are a minor, E minor, F major, and G major. Many guitarists find it helpful to place a capo on the first fret to match the original song's key. Practice forming each chord clearly before moving on to transitions. Now let's talk about the rhythm and strumming. A common and effective strumming pattern for Love Story is down, down, up, up, down, up. Try to keep your strumming hand moving consistently to maintain a steady beat. It's crucial to practice this pattern slowly at first, ensuring each strum is clear and even. Gradually increase your speed as you become more comfortable with the rhythm. Achieving smooth chord transitions is key to playing this song fluidly. Focus on moving your fingers efficiently between a minor, E minor, F major, and G major. A metronome can be a great tool to help you keep a steady tempo and improve your timing. Remember, consistent practice is more effective than long, infrequent sessions. Aim for about 15 minutes of focused practice each day. You're now ready to put everything together and play Love Story from start to finish. Combine your practiced chords with the strumming pattern, paying attention to the song's structure. Listening to Indila's original version will help you capture the song's emotional depth and timing. Keep practicing, and you'll be playing it beautifully in no time. And hey, if you're looking for ways to improve your financial future, check the description for a link to the Simple Path to Wealth and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.